Ladies and gents, I'm so glad to see you here because we're in Moscow in the center again. We're about to continue learning English while walking around Moscow because finally, in Russia, in Moscow, summer hottest days, hottest summer nights finally have come, and in this balmy evening we're about to discover this world. So if you wanna learn English, bro, I'm gonna warn you in advance that I am not English teacher or something. I am not native and I'm just simple learner. I'm just learning as you. You can learn some new phrases and expressions from me and discover Moscow. This girl, this pretty girl, she's a street musician. She's too young actually, and she's playing the guitar, making money. And this, by the way, this building, it is our Russian big theater. Yeah, this is the main theater in the whole country. The most expensive, the most beautiful. We can see 4 horses in the top. Well, yeah, and this is like the place where people can gather in the evening and spend time. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful, bro. People are just calmly sitting on the benches. Wow, check the streets. We have bushes, we have green, like this partly nature, and at the same time city, buildings, streets, expensive cars, officers. They're protecting this territory. Doing a good job actually, because there is no crimes and something. All right, we're actually about to cross the street right now and change the sidewalk and walk down the street. We crossing this street, and we crossed. We did. By the way, this is a festival. Oh, this is a place where everyone is playing chess. Look at that. Look at that. This is the place for chess. It's called a chess. These games, you see? This is a chess. And anyone can go there and just play chess. Fantastic. I'm just going to sit and have. I'm gonna sit and play chess. Huh? Конечно. I got a big chess in here. Yo! We have a big chess. Kids are playing chess right now and grandmom. Look, this is huge actually. I don't know how the chess called in English, but it's heavy. It's heavy, bro. It's cool. We have a shelter. And what is this about? That is a library. This library zone. Can we get inside? You can see books, and nice. Can we get inside, bro? Yo, actually, we can pick a book, any book. We can pick it, just pick it up, and read. Isn't it great that we have places like this to read in books and to educate ourselves? We have a table, lamp, table, comfortable chair. Everything is nice. Well, yeah. What else we have? This kind of fan. This guy, see, he's pulling the machine, something. He's pulling the, I don't know, what is this? Just the goods. Pulling. Hotel. Like, oh my god, look at this, I'm so sweaty because I already said that hot summer days, plus 32 degrees outside, 35 summer. Come on in. That's insane weather, I'm not gonna lie. And in the evening it's pretty much you know, acceptable temperature, comfortable for surviving in here. Oh, by the way, you see this RT? It is a Russian television company. Come on! What this structure is about? Music in our hearts. It's about music. Tractor! Come on, tractor, seriously, in the center? Like, we can find Lambo here. We can find Bugatti, Lambo. Look at this. What a contrast, right? Tractor will drive this Lambo over and don't even notice this. Well, like for tractor, bro. I will prefer to buy tractor actually than some kind of Porsche or Mercedes. Like, for what you need Mercedes if you can buy tractor? And by the way, we witnessing sunset process when sun is going down or down the horizon. Sunset, and we're gonna see. I guess we're gonna see stars tonight because the sky is clear. Clear sky is gonna be sky full of stars. I love Coldplay, generally, bro. We better move. Around this building, and we will walk away on that side and follow the new street. Look, this is the biggest library in Russia. Real library. We can go inside and read the book. Memorial. Oh, is this a pine? Like, pine? Probably. Oh, really tall. Nah, you see, it's actually already closed. What a hell, what a bus. Like from 80s. That's strange. We have a cake house, but there's actually a subway. The subway enter cake, cold drinks plus ice cream. Look at this huge golden pot. It's like streets are full of people, crowds. But where are the musicians? I heard the musicians. In Russia, we call this thing samovar. Samovar in Russian. Bands, something. Oh. His folding umbrella, like folded umbrella. French bakery as well. Oh. I love Moscow. Flags. Can you find your flag, bro? Like souvenirs. We even have, look at that, we have Washington Capitals uniform. This is our Russian Ovechkin, bro. And this Russian hat. We have German Bayern Munich, we have Manchester, we have Russian. It's like for wizards or something, I'm not sure. That's Russian summer. Everyone is so lights, bright lights everywhere, music and evenings every single day, no matter weekends or weekdays. We always will witness people in the center walking and enjoying life, you know. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 floors in this restaurant. This is a carousel for kids. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, oh my god, it was an accident. Just one guy, he was driving, he was riding the scooter and he bumped into other people accidentally. You know, it's getting darker in the streets, and I feel like that's enough. Thank you. Right? Good evening. Short vlog about Moscow in English. Just practice speaking. Hope you learned something new. Hope you just a little bit. I hope you at least a little bit felt all the atmosphere of Moscow. At least a little bit, because I understand it is impossible to feel everything through the camera. You need to be here, guys. If you have chance to come here, you will never be disappointed. Alright, bro. Enjoy the day. Enjoy learning. Let's go. See you tomorrow. Thank you.